Hi guys, how are you today? Are you okay? I first love. Are you happy? I first love. Okay, everyone, are you ready to learn? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, today I'm going to talk about learning English. There are many ways to learn English. You can learn English through singing. You can learn English through reading. You can learn English through listening, and you can learn English through writing. But the best way to learn English is through speaking and reciting as many sentences as possible. The more sentences you can write down, the better English will the best English will you will speak. Okay, this is my topic today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.